friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos. And in today's video I want to show you some Gossip Girl inspired DIYs, and for the first DIY I want to show you how to make a phone case. And what I'm doing now is I'm just contouring the exact size for my phone case, and now using some glitter pens I'm just writing I'm all about that best because I find it really funny, and if someone reads this and if he's watching or she's watching Gossip Girl, you are going to be friends. And now I'm just fixing this phone case on the real phone case, and that's all you need to do for this DIY. Take a notebook, a calendar, whatever you have, and if you don't like that color you can paint it, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just painting this with white because I want it more bright, and I'm giving 2 coats of white, and after that I'm taking a gold permanent marker and I'm writing hello Upper East Siders, because if this sentence doesn't mean Gossip Girl, then what means Gossip Girl? And that's all you need to do. Super easy. And here is the hardest DIY on this video. You are going to need a canvas, a scotch or washi tape or sticker paper, whatever you have. And as you can see, I'm just fixing the blank space the spaces that I don't want to color, and that's why I'm adding the scotch. And on the other parts I'm just going to paint them. You are going to see. And as I've said, I'm just painting this. I chose this orange color. After the painting is dry, I'm just taking off that scotch. And you can see that here I have some parts with that are not really looking very good, but I'm just retouching them with the color. And after everything is dried, I'm taking my black permanent marker and I'm writing work like a Humphrey, think like a Bass, and dress like a Van der Woodsen. And now I'm just placing my canvas here, and basically that's all you need to do for this DIY. And now using a mug, I'm writing you know you love me XOXO Gossip Girl, of course. Last but not least, I want to make a cute frame inspired by Gossip Girl, and now using this yellow crayon I'm just writing 2G and a heart. And now I'm writing a very beautiful quote from Gossip Girl, and I think that this quote actually it's really good and you can make it because it's super easy and it's inspirational or motivating, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just putting this paper on my frame, and basically that's all I did for this beautiful DIY. And unfortunately these were all the DIYs that I wanted to show you today for this Gossip Girl TV series. If you're watching Gossip Girl, or if you know this TV series, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you next Saturday. Bye guys, have an amazing day and also an amazing week. Bye!